All right. So it's about REM sleep between children and adults. Please note that it's two populations. One population is the children, other population is the adults. Next, it's a means problem. Next, is sigma 1, sigma 2 given or not given? Yes, they are. So sigma 1, sigma 2 are known. Next, it's chapter 7 or chapter 8. So do this data indicate that on average, children tend to have more REM sleep than adults? Use 1% level of significance. So it's a chapter 8 problem. All right. So let's write down the data. The data is n1 equals 10, x1 bar equals 2.8, and sigma 1 equals 0.5. n2 equals 10, x2 bar equals 2.1, and sigma 2 equals 0.7. Okay, so since it's a chapter 8 problem, we start with H0 and HA. And it's a means problem, so we have to deal with mu1 minus mu2. And here group 1 is the children, group 2 is adults. So they are asking for, do this data indicate that on average, children tend to have more REM sleep than adults? So children is group 1. They're asking if group 1 is like bigger than group 2, kind of. That means they're asking if mu1 minus mu2 is bigger than 0 or not. Okay, so step 1 done. Step 2 is test statistic. Test statistic for this case, you can check the table. Sorry, you can check the formula sheet. It's z equals x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2, which shall equal 2.8 minus 2.1 divided by 0.5 square by 10 plus 0.7 square by 10 and take a square root. Oh, sorry, to divide them. So 2.57. Okay. And step 2 being done. Next is critical region, step 3. Oh, sorry, rejection region. So it's a right tail test. Which means there shall be a ZC and there shall be a tail. How fat has to be the tail? The tail has to be 1% fat. That means left of ZC shall be 99%. So we search for 0.99 here. And 0.99 lies between this and this. So between 2.32 and 2.33. So our ZC shall be 2.325. Okay. And when do you reject? So if Z bigger than ZC, which is 2.325, reject H0. Alright. Now our Z is 2.57, which is actually bigger than 2.325. Hence, reject H0. That means you can say, yeah, children do have more REM sleep than adults.